No Tax on Tips Act of 2025, what it means and why it matters. In a move that could transform the lives of millions of service industry workers, the U.S. Senate has introduced a groundbreaking bill, S-129, officially titled the No Tax on Tips Act of 2025. Sponsored by Senator Ted Cruz, this bill is designed to do one thing: eliminate federal income taxes on tipped wages. Whether you're a waiter, bartender, barista, hairstylist, valet, or working any job where tipping is a major part of your income, this bill directly impacts you. What the bill proposes: the No Tax on Tips Act amends the Internal Revenue Code to exclude all tipped income from gross income, meaning tips would no longer count as taxable income on your federal return. That's right, 100% of your tips tax-free. This includes cash tips, tips on credit and debit cards, electronic and app-based tipping like Venmo or Square. Under current law, all tips are taxable. Workers must report them, and employers are required to track and submit those earnings to the IRS. This bill would remove that requirement, simplifying tax filing and boosting take-home pay. Who benefits? This bill would primarily help restaurant servers, bartenders, hotel staff, delivery drivers, salon workers, rideshare drivers, essentially anyone who owns a substantial portion of their income through gratuities. It's especially impactful in low-wage service jobs, where base pay is often below minimum wage and tips are the main source of income. Supporters say it puts more money in workers' pockets without increasing employer costs. It reduces paperwork and reporting burdens for both employees and businesses. It rewards hard work and customer service without punishing success through higher taxes. It acknowledges the reality that many service workers live paycheck to paycheck, and tip income should be treated differently than standard wages. Critics argue it could complicate wage enforcement, as some employers might try to manipulate base pay to avoid obligations. It may create an uneven playing field where tipped workers pay no tax while others in similar income brackets do. It could lead to lower overall tax revenue, especially in states with high service employment. Legislative status introduced in the Senate, January 25, 2025. Sponsor, Senator Ted Cruz, R. Texas. Referred to the Senate Finance Committee. Not yet passed, still under review and awaiting further debate or vote. Final thoughts. The No Tax on Tips Act taps into a larger national conversation about wage fairness, tax reform, and the dignity of service work. Whether you see it as economic relief or political symbolism, one thing is clear: S-129 could redefine how we treat tipped income in America. Stay tuned. If this bill gains traction in the House, and especially if it passes, it could become one of the most talked about federal tax changes in recent years.